Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for portfolio management, your 2025 full guide. Let's start by logging into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, it takes only a few minutes to sign up. Ensuring you are logged in gives you access to all the portfolio management tools UPBASE has to offer. Now that we're logged in, navigate to the portfolio section. Here, you'll find all the options related to portfolio management. This is the core space where we'll be managing and monitoring our portfolio, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Next up, let's add a new project to our portfolio. Click the Add Project button, fill in the details of your project, and hit Save. This step is crucial as it allows us to input all the necessary details about our project and keep them in one place for easy reference and tracking. Now, let's explore the Analytics feature. Click on the Analytics tab next to your project. Here, you can track the progress of your project, see trends, and make informed decisions. The reason we do this is to leverage the power of data to make smarter decisions about our portfolio. Another important feature is the Risk Management tab. Click on it, and you'll see various risk factors associated with your project and suggested solutions. This helps us because it allows us to anticipate potential pitfalls and strategize on how to mitigate them, enhancing the overall success of our portfolio. Lastly, let's take a look at the Reports tab. Here you can generate detailed reports about your portfolio's performance. These reports are essential for assessing the health of your portfolio and making necessary adjustments. Let me explain why this matters. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you stay on top of your portfolio and ensure it's moving in the right direction. And that's it. You've just mastered UPBASE for portfolio management. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring UPBASE and enhancing your portfolio management skills, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.